Kenya Defence Forces.
I, Major General Paul Owuor Otieno, Commander of the Kenya Navy, do swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Kenya and to the President as the Commander-in-Chief of the Kenya Defence Forces.
Kenya Defence Forces has a history of professionalism, a history of loyalty, commitment, and a history that speaks many positive things about the Republic of Kenya. I exhort you to live up to that history and hold the Kenya Defence Forces in the high esteem that the people of Kenya hold the Kenya Defence Forces.